morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, shall we come back to our lesson, the partnership accounts. Partnership accounts, let us learn. Okay, in this last heading we are, isn't it, in the partnership accounts we are learning the last, we have learned everything, last two problems we have to do, isn't it? I think we will do that. It is not clear, that's why I am adjusting. Okay, I think now it is somewhat clear. Okay, the 21st and 21st we have completed, 22 and 23 we have to do. Okay, let me show the illustration. Okay, in the distribution of profit by preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, let us see only that interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary to partner, commission to partner will be given from the profit and loss account, and the remaining profit should be shared among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. That's all. Okay. See, Durai and Velan entered into a partnership agreement on 1st April 2018. Durai contributes 25,000, Velan 30,000 as capital. Agreement provided that profits and losses to be shared in the ratio of 2:3. Then partners to be entitled to interest on capital 5%, then interest on drawing 300, 450. Durai to receive a salary 5,000 for the year, Velan to receive a commission 2,000. Here everything amount given, so no problem. Only this one, interest on capital 5% on the opening capital. Okay, that is what we have to calculate. Then during the year, the firm made a profit of 20,000 before adjustment of interest, salary and commission. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, only the account we have to prepare. See, the first one, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019 we have to write. Okay, then here debtor, creditor, particulars, then to amount column. Then first one we have to take the profit made by the firm. Okay, by profit and loss account we should write 20,000. Now the first item, profit sharing ratio, leave it. Then partners to be entitled to interest on capital. So interest on capital should be debited to interest on capital 5% on 25,000, 1,250. Then Velan this much amount. Okay. Then next one, C, interest on drawings. So it should be credited. So by interest on drawings, Durai, Velan, amount given clearly. Then Durai to receive a salary. So here to salary to Durai. Okay, 5,000. The next one, Velan to receive a commission. So commission to Velan, 2,000. That's all. Okay, add all these things and here 20,000, then plus interest on drawings, subtract, we will get 11,000. This 11,000 should be transferred to partners capital account. So to partners capital account, in bracket profit transferred. Durai, Velan. 11,000 into profit sharing ratio through 2:3. So 2 by 5. Here 3 by 5. Okay, that's all. Now one more simple calculation is there. This calculation already we have learned. Okay, you see what is the different calculation. Richard and Rizwan started a business, capital 3 lakh, 2 lakh respectively. Okay, according to the partnership deed, interest on capital 6% per annum. Rizwan is to get a salary 50,000 per annum. Richard is to get 10% commission on profit after interest on capital and salary to Rizwan after charging such commission. Then profit sharing ratio given, profit earned by the firm given. Here only the different calculation is this one. This one how we will calculate? First we will credit with this one. Okay, then we will debit with this one. Then salary also debited. Now interest 10% after charging such commission, bracket what is given, after interest on capital and salary to Rizwan. So from the profit we have to deduct this one and this one. The remaining amount That is before commission, but this one very important, after charging such commission 10%. So what we should do, before commission into 10 by 110, that's all. We will get this commission. Okay, then that amount if we deduct, we will get the profit. That should be shared among the partners in the ratio of 3:2. That is what done here. Okay, see. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March December 2018. Okay, debtor creditor written, particulars to amount column. Here particulars to amount column. Okay, here profit and loss account, by profit and loss account. Interest on capital 6% on opening capital. Okay, then salary to Rizwan given, commission to Richard. This one only we should calculate. You see, that is calculated like this. Before commission, profit before commission into rate of commission plus 100 plus rate of commission. So profit before commission, how we will get 3 lakh minus this much amount. So 80,000. 3 lakh minus 80,000, 2 lakh 20,000. From that 2 lakh 20,000 into 10 by 110, we will get 20,000. Okay, now the balance we got 2 lakh 20. If you deduct this one, remaining 2 lakh. That 2 lakh must be divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, that's all. The same type of problem we will see now. These two problems, 21 and 22, let us complete. Sorry, 22 and 23. Okay, 22. Dinesh and Sukumar entered. Dinesh and Sukumar entered into a partnership agreement on 1st January 2018. Dinesh contributing 1,50,000, Sukumar 1,20,000 as capital. So this is opening capital. Here only we should calculate the interest on capital. Okay, profit sharing ratio given, interest rate is given, then interest on drawings amount given, salary for Dinesh, then Sukumar commission. Okay, clearly given. So not much calculation. Okay, you have to use both the pages. Now I am using only one page now. Okay. First write the number, question number, then heading. Okay, what we need to prepare? Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So you write profit and loss appropriation account. For the year ended. December 31st, 2018. Now you draw. 2 pages you use. Okay. Here credit little less, debit little more. Debtor, creditor, particulars, rupees. Okay, first by profit and loss account. You write fully. Okay, by profit and loss account how much? 2,20,000. Okay, now first item. Profit and loss ratio given, leave it. Next one, partners to be entitled to interest on capital. So, to interest on capital. Okay, both the partners. So, first Dinesh. Interest on capital. How much? We will do the calculation here. Okay. See the calculation. 1,50,000 into 4% by 100. 15 into 4, 60. Isn't it? 20. Then next partner, $1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay, 1,20,000. How much? 48. So 6,000 for 4,800. Dinesh 6,000. Then Sukumar 4,800. So totally 10,800. Okay, next one, interest on drawings. It should be credited by interest on drawings. Dinesh 3,600. Dinesh and Sukumar 2,200. Okay, the next one, Dinesh to receive a salary. So salary to Dinesh. $60,000 for the year. Then Sukumar to receive a commission to Sukumar 80,000. Now we will calculate. Credit side only more, isn't it? Add and write. Double line you have to draw. 0, 0. 6 plus 2, 8. Here 3 plus 2, 5. 2, 2. Okay, 2,25,800. Here how much? Add and write here with the pencil. Okay. 0, 0. Then third one 8. Fourth digit 0. Fifth digit 7 plus 8, 15. So 1,50,800. Okay, here the largest amount 2,25,800. Subtract and find out. $75,000. Okay. To capital account. Partners capital account or capital account. Okay, profit transferred. First Dinesh, then Sukumar. Okay, so 75,000 into profit sharing ratio 2:1. So 2 by 3. 3 means 25. 25,000 into 2, 50,000. Isn't it? So 25,000 into 1, 25,000. Now when we add, we will get to 75,000. Now write the total amount, 2,25,800. That's all. Okay, one problem over. Now the next problem. Shall we do both the pages? Okay, see. Anthony and Ranjit started a business on 1st April with a capital 4 lakh, 3 lakh respectively. According to the partnership deed, Anthony is to get a salary of 90,000 per annum. Ranjit 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and interest on capital at 5% per annum, but after charging such commission. Okay. Profit sharing ratio between the two partners 1:1 equal. Okay, during the year the firm earned 3,65,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The firm closes its accounts on 31st March every year. So first we should write the number. Okay, write the number 23. Okay. Now profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended when it is closing 31st March. The year opening 2018 April, so March 2019. Okay, draw column, to amount column. Okay, here rupees. First one, it should be credited with what? Profit and loss account. How much? 3,65,000. Next, you start from the beginning. Okay, opening capital given. Anthony is to get salary of 90,000 per annum. So, to salary to Anthony. How much? 90,000. Next one, Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profit after allowing salary and interest on capital 5% per annum. Now, interest on capital. Okay, for first Anthony, for two partners, Ranjit. Okay, how much? Interest on capital 5%. Okay, we will calculate. We will calculate in this one. Okay, 25% on 5 by 100 into opening capital, first person 4 lakh, isn't it? 20, then 30, then 5 fours are 20,000. Next person capital 3 lakh. So in 3 lakh 5%, 15,000. 20,000, 15,000. Okay. $35,000. Now this one again, Ranjit is to get 25% commission on profit after allowing salary to Anthony and interest on capital, but after charging such commission. Okay, so we have to calculate the remaining amount. Okay, here how much is coming? The 90,000, 35,000. So 1,25,000. Okay, 1,25,000 should be deducted from 3,65,000. That is the profit. No interest on drawings. Okay, so 0, 2,40,000. Okay, this 2,40,000. This is profit before commission. Okay, that commission we will calculate. Commission to Ranjit. Okay, here also we can write to commission for Ranjit. Commission to Ranjit. Now the remaining amount we got 2,40,000. This is profit before commission. Okay, then rate 25% divided by 100 plus 25, 125. Okay, so Here 25 one time, here 5 times 25. Then this 5 and here 24, how many 5? 4 5s are 20. Then 40. 8 5s are 40. 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, so 48,000. Hope you might have understood. Okay, so 48,000 is the profit. Sorry, commission to Ranjit. Okay, now the remaining amount. Here we got already the profit before commission 2,40,000. So from this 2,40,000, if we deduct this commission 48,000, we will get the remaining profit 1,92,000. Okay, this 1,92,000 should be shared 1:1. So 1/2. Okay, 2 9s are 18, balance 1, 12, 6 2s are 12, 1 2 3 0, 96,000, 96,000. So we have to write now the journal entry. Okay, to capital accounts. Bracket profit transferred. Okay, Anthony Ranjit. Anthony how much? 96,000. Ranjit 96,000. Total 1,92,000. So just you think this one above the problem. Okay. This should be written here. Okay, 3,65,000. 3,65,000. Okay, straight to this. Okay, students, we have completed the third chapter. Okay, tomorrow we will learn the fourth chapter. Okay, thank you very much.